Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my geography class. In this class we are going to see the topic number 3. So in this topic what we are going to learn? Let's move to see it. First, I request all my students to have a notebook and a pen to copy down the important points from this presentation. So here we are going to have the discussion on the chapter number 1, the Earth in the solar system. Now we are on the topic number 3. The topic number 3 is speaking the solar system. In our previous class we had seen about the Earth in the solar system. In that we had seen the basic points of the chapter, right? The second presentation was talking about the celestial body, constellation, then stars, then planets, and after that we summed up with that all the important points which are making the solar system. Stars, planets we talked about. Next we will see in detail what's all together is comprising the solar system. Let's move. First, here the solar system. So what is solar system? In that we are having the sun, the star, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial body known as asteroids and meteorites forms the solar system. So here the definition of the solar system is reflecting here. So the definition of the solar system is the sun, the 8 planets and the satellites. The satellites are already clear, natural satellites and human-made satellites. Some other celestial body known as asteroids and meteorites forms the solar system. So here the question arises, what is solar system? In that you have to write the definition from here, from the solar system, 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids, meteoroids form the solar system. So in examination if the question will come, what is solar system? So this particular definition you can write, the sun, the 8 planet, the asteroid, the meteoroids forms the solar system, right? The next, we often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. So we are placing sun as a head and other members as a family members of the solar family. So next we are going to see more about solar system. So this is the photograph. Please see it carefully. I have taken from the NCERT textbook. That's the figure number 1.2. In that you are observing sun, right? Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, all the 8 planets are there up to here. So this is very important diagram. This shows about, and here the downsward, it's not little bit clear because it's stretched in the PowerPoint presentation, so it's not visible. But I have taken from the NCERT textbook. In the textbook, this is available, right? So in the textbook it is available. Please see it carefully. In the textbook, it is there. Let me show you. In the textbook also, this diagram is there. So you can see this diagram. The same it is here. So from the textbook only I have taken. So this figure number 1.1, the solar system. So your today homework will be there. So today's homework is there. You have to draw and label the diagram of solar system. So what is solar system? In that the sun and the 8 planets, that's asteroids and meteoroids and satellites forming the solar system. So today's your homework is, please once again I am repeating. So please copy it down. draw and label the diagram of solar system. In that, we are going to see about all the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So here we are having the 8 planets, right? Here we are having the asteroid belts. Okay? So like that, asteroid belt. So Sun, then Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, like that. A simple diagram you have to make. Next, moving to the further point. The Sun. So this photograph is talking about, just you can see about the fireball. This is Sun. We are going to know about more interesting facts about Sun. It is the center of the solar system. So in the solar system, that is at the center. Next point, it is made up of extremely hot gases. Next, and this is the nearest star to us. Moving further, as we are seeing in this diagram, so you can see about that. The Sun is there and this is Earth. This is Moon. So here, first topic in the solar system, we are seeing the Sun, that is in the center, and all other 8 planets are moving around it. Right? So this is Sun, that is made up of extremely hot gases, and that is the nearest star. So here is Earth. So nearest star is Sun. This is Moon. Moving further, 150 million kilometers away. The distance from the Earth to the Sun is 150 million kilometers away. We are going to have a discussion on this. Then, interesting aside. So, first interesting aside, the Sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. The Sun is the largest object in the solar system. That means in whole the solar system, the Sun is very, very big. Then 98% of all matter within the solar system is found within the Sun. So out of 198%, all the matters are within the Sun only. So remaining part is only 2%. This means that all the planets, moon, asteroid, minor planets, comets, gas and dust would all combine to make up only 2% of all the matter in the solar system. This is the interesting asides and facts and figure for the Sun. Then next, you can see here the solar system. Next, another interesting aside. The Sun is the larger than the Earth, could easily fit inside the Sun a million times. So if the Earth we are going to fitting into Sun, so Earth is going to be million times it is going to be fit into the Sun. So how much large and big and huge the Sun is there. Next, because the Sun is so large compared to everything else, it is easily able to hold on to the rest of the matter, causing everything else to the orbit around it. Moving further, light from the Sun can reach the Earth in only 8 minutes. This is called the speed of light. Next, Earth you can see, if we are placing into, all the planets can be into the Sun. Right? Next, we were discussing about Sun. I had shown you the interesting facts and figure related to Sun. So now we are moving towards the textbook concept, and we are going to have the understanding to this. The Sun is the center of the solar system. So Sun in the center of the solar system, and it is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides a pulling force. What sun is providing? Pulling force that binds the solar system. That's why the sun and all the planets are moving around, rotating and revolving around the sun. Okay. The next, the sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. So sun is having the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Next, but that tremendous heat is not felt so much. Why? Much by us, because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So as earlier I stated in your point, the sun and the earth distance 150 million kilometers away. As the sun is too hot, made up of the very extreme hot gases, that's why we are not able to feel all that heatness. When the earth, after rotating, moving near to sun, at that time we are feeling very hot. This is summer. Next topic is planet. We are talking about the solar system. In that first we have seen sun as a main component, right? And it's creating a pulling force which is binding all the planets, right? And forming the solar system. Moving toward the next, there are 8 planets in our solar system. As I shown you the diagram, figure number 1.2 of the solar system, in order of their distance from the sun. From the distance of the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets. So we are going to discuss about these 8 planets, and I am going to tell you a secret thing to remember names of all 8 planets. Next, an easy way to memorize the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun is, that is here. My very efficient mother just served us nut. I request to each and every one of you, please copy down the sentence in your notebook. That's a short form to memorize all the names of 8 planets. Please copy down. My very efficient mother just served us nut. So here N for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, then M for Mars, J for Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So you have to write the second homework for today purpose, that you have to write the sentence, my very efficient mother just served us nut. 10 times you have to write. How many times you are going to write? 10 times in your notebook. That notebook is going to be your homework notebook for this social science, all the note making one. In the chapter number 1, first you have to make 1 point of this and just copy it into 9 times notes. So total together 10 times you are going to write this sentence and you are going to memorize it. My very efficient mother just served us nut. So like that, in my, M means Mercury, V means Venus, like efficient, E means Earth. That's why I highlighted with the red color. These are the red color. So this is the easiest way to memorize the name of all the planets. Okay. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. moving further, all the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. These paths are elongated. So they are moving in a fixed path in their orbits. So they are called orbits. Okay. So sun is here and all the planets are moving around the sun in a fixed path, and that part is elongated, and that is called as orbit. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. So Mercury is the nearest to sun, and it takes only 88 days only. Within 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus considered as Earth's twin. That means it looks similar to Earth because its size and the shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. So here, which is the planet is called as the Earth's twin? So your answer is going to be Venus because its size and shape are very much similar to Earth. Okay. The next, which planet required 88 days to have one round to the sun? So which planet is that? So the name of the planet is Mercury. By explaining the paragraph only, I am telling you a short question. If in the examination this type of question will come, so how easily you can write the answer. Okay. So that purpose, whatever the important question I am giving to you, please make a note of the question. How from this paragraph the question is going to be extracted and will be placed in the examination purpose. Next. Here, till recently, August 2006, Pluto was also considered. Here in the first presentation I was talking about Pluto. Up to 2006, that was a planet. So we were talking about 9 planets. When I was studying like you, I was also talking and studying about the 9 planets. But after 2006, Pluto is called as the dwarf planet. So was considered a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial body, right, is discovered in the recent past is called as dwarf planet. So here is the facts and figure related to Pluto, in which year it was stated about that, and the decision was taken that Pluto is a dwarf planet, not a planet. Then next, here we are going to summing up with the overview. So here we talk and discuss about the solar system, right? So what is solar system? The sun and the other 8 planets, asteroid and asteroids, right, and satellites forms solar system. What is solar system? For a common example, we are living on Earth. We are living on the Earth. Every day when night will be there, we are seeing the moons, the stars. So how much wonderful it is. We are on the Earth only, we are observing moon, stars, right? So like that, these are all the part of solar system. So we are in the solar system on Earth. So Earth, so we are talking about Earth. Then we are talking about sun, because every morning we are seeing the sunlight, we are seeing the sun. Evening and morning, the sun looks very bigger in a yellowish color, and in evening at the reddish or orange color. Moon in the night also you are seeing. So all the concept already you are seeing. So the solar system is what? The solar system, the sun and the other 8 planets, plus we are having the asteroid and asteroids and other celestial body we are placing into and forming the solar system. Then next we talked about the sun. How sun and from which thing it is made. The sun is made from the extremely hot gases, right? Then the next we have seen the interesting facts and figures about the sun. Next we have seen the sun and its importance to our solar system. Then the planet, right? In the planet we have seen the 8 planets. the name of the 8th planet. After that we had seen how the Pluto is after 2006. The meeting was held, where it was held, in which meeting it was stated about that is a dwarf planet, right? And I talked about the easiest way to memorize the name of the 8th planet. So that is my very efficient mother just served us now. So this is the overview. Following points are there. You can copy down this following point. You can write the solar system. I place to draw the diagram for the solar system, right? I place the homework to write the definition of the solar system. Then I stated the interesting facts and figure for you. Then the name of the 8 planets you have to write in the order. Right here, planets, name of the 8 planets, and write about Mercury, Venus, Earth, like that. Up to 8 planets you have to write. Then I told you about that. You have to copy down this sentence and you have to write the sentence 10 times and you have to memorize properly. And then sentence, after talking about all this, the homework is very important. After doing this homework, you have to make a 200 pages notebook, single line notebook, and date wise according to you have to do the work in that. Right? If the work is of history given, you have to write in the same notebook. If the work is given from the civics, you have to write in the same notebook. No need to have a division, you have to have a continuity. Because one chapter when it is going to be over, then I am going to start the another chapter. So here in this all presentation, we talked about the solar system, the sun, the planets, and a very good sentence which makes us to memorize the name of the 8 planets. My very efficient mother just served us now. Right? So today in this class we are stopping here. In the upcoming class we will see about the earth and the moon, the asteroid, meteorites, and we are going to solve the exercise of this chapter. So till now, be safe and be secure at your home and be happy. And lastly, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching the video. If you are having any doubt and difficulty, please let me know and we are going to solve your doubt and difficulty. Thank you to each and every one of you. Jai Hind.